Hi there, it's Tim here at Signagelive, and I have the pleasure of joining with Hubert from Nexmosphere. Thank you very much for taking a couple of minutes of your time. The booth is very, very busy.
Happy to do so. No problem.
I really wanted to pick your brain on this, the Neo.
Yep.
Can you give us a brief explanation of what it is and why it's so important?
Yep. Neo is actually what we call the building block for green signage. And what it does is actually a power measurement device where you can measure the individual output of the four outputs, what can be screens, media player, and see the exact power usage. And we can also switch them individually. So what you can do, for example, at night, switch off your digital signage, and the next morning in a sequence, power up everything again.
In sequence?
Yep.
I didn't know that. That's really interesting.
So it's a sequence one you can already predefine. But I think what's quite unique, there is a competition that can do it via Ethernet.
Yeah.
But we do it also via USB. And that means that you can connect it to any media player over the USB.
Right.
And actually what I can show you here on the screen is if you have a media player, the media player can command Neo to switch it off and say like, wake me up in 8 hours again.
Right.
So then we can switch on the power again of the media player and in that way actually reboot the whole system.
Interesting.
But in that way, really make it sure that it's always starting up in the right sequence, in the right way.
Right.
There are a lot of screens actually in retail, but also other applications where they are not switching off the screens because they're afraid it will not power on again. So they're even playing black content.
Yeah.
So what we really want to do is give the industry the opportunity to really easily manage their product and switch down when the screens are not being needed and make sure that it's just a reliable system.
So the demands come from like energy efficiency, but also the control remotely, right?
Yeah.
Being able to tell what's going on.
We have a dashboard that's a free cloud that comes with it. And what you can do is repower the unit just by toggling a switch in the dashboard.
Okay.
It's a free dashboard.
Yeah.
And also with our partner SenseMe or our CMS partners, you can have the opportunity to control it remotely.
Yeah.
And in that way, see what your system is actually doing. The good thing is it has 4 sensor inputs as well. So it's not only a power measurement device, but it's also an Nexmosphere controller. So you can connect any presence sensor, buttons.
Thinking about your own product at the same time.
Exactly.
It's really exciting, as well as the other array of Nexmosphere tools and things that we tend to cover. It's really cool to see a new product come to the market. Thanks so much for your time. Really appreciate it.
Perfect. Thank you.